Now we see our third question. Very important. So many times you did in class also. If x equal to root over a power sin inverse t, y equal to root over a power cos inverse t, we have to show dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Here, one identity is there in inverse trigonometric functions. Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t or x or anything you can write, it is pi by 2. Similarly, two more are there. You know what are that? Tan inverse t plus cot inverse t equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse t plus cosecant inverse t equal to pi by 2. But now this one is required, that's why I have written. Now, don't go for direct derivatives or anything. Here, you multiply x and y. xy equal to root over a in power sin inverse t into root over a power cos inverse t. This is single root you can write. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So a power sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. But what is sin inverse t plus cos inverse t?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Therefore, you got xy equal to root over a power pi by 2. Now we see x variable, y variable, x is function of t is variable, y is function of t is variable. But now what happened, see that t is eliminated. There is no t. So this is only constant. So now we will differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Now we have to use UV rule. Why? Because both x and y are variables. X derivative into y derivative into x equal to, what is the derivative of this one?
0.
Don't apply any root x function like that. Why? Because this whole thing is constant, therefore it is
0.
X derivative is 1 into y plus y derivative is dy by dx into x equal to 0. This y you send that side. X into dy by dx equal to minus y. Dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Proved or not? See our next sum. Here one relation given between x and y. We have to prove dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Now we see, don't go for derivative first. First we will simplify this. X into root over 1 plus y. This one is sent that side. Minus y into root over 1 plus x. Now square on both sides. X square is x square. What is the square of this one?
1 plus y.
That root will be cancelled. So 1 plus y equal to minus square is plus y square into same way it is 1 plus x. Now we see multiply x square plus x square y equal to y square plus y square x. Bring that y square this side. Send this x square y that side. X square y square x minus x square y. Can you factorize this one? X minus y into
X plus y.
x plus y. Here what is common?
xy.
xy common.
Minus
Take minus xy common. Minus you can take or no problem. When you take minus, this one will do first. X minus y will come. See, x minus y here is there. You can get x minus y here also. To cancel that one, x minus y should not be 0. Then only you can cancel. Here it is given x not equal to y. So x minus y can't be 0. You can cancel it. Now you see, this y equal to, okay, this y we can take common. Y plus xy equal to, this x you send that side. Y you take common. 1 plus x equal to minus x. So what is y value?
Minus
Minus x by 1 plus x. Now you see, y in terms of x we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps simplification we did, but differentiation we have not done till now. Now we will do the derivative. Y derivative is dy by dx. How to do the derivative of minus x by 1 plus x?
U by V method.
U by V rule you have to apply. U is minus x, V is 1 plus x. What is the formula? U dash
U dash V.
into V. V is 1 plus x now. Minus 1 plus x derivative, V derivative into x minus x by V square. V square is 1 plus x whole square. U dash V minus V dash U by V square. Therefore, dy by dx equal to x derivative is 1, minus x is there, minus 1 into 1 plus x. Here minus of minus plus will come. 1 derivative 0, x derivative is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into x by 1 plus x whole square. This x multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 minus x plus x by 1 plus x whole square. Anything cancel in numerator?
X.
X you can take cancel. So dy by dx equal to how much you got?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 by 1 plus x square, which is required to prove. You see that. Okay. Now we will do this sum. X in root over 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square equal to a into x minus y. We have to prove dy by dx equal to root over 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. If you go for direct differentiation, it will be very lengthy. Whether answer you will reach or not, I don't know, but it will be very lengthy. These are special type of sums. You have to remember, once you do, then only you can do that one, this type of sums. What I will do here, x equal to, I will take sine alpha, and y equal to sine beta I will take. How we will get this idea? We don't get that idea at first time. If you do this type of sums in class, then only you can do in examination. So you have to remember this. Now, when x equal to sine alpha, alpha equal to sine inverse x, beta equal to sine inverse y, sine inverse y. Okay. Trigonometric formulas. What you have learnt in 11th class. Here you have to remember this formula, cos x plus cos y equal to, can you tell what is cos x plus cos y? 4 formulas are there. Sin x plus sin y formula, sin x minus sin y, cos x plus cos y, cos x minus cos y. Here cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. If here minus is there, cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. That formula not required now, that's why I am not writing. Another formula is required, sin x minus sin y. Sin x minus sin y equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. If sin x plus sin y 2, this sin will come here, cos will go there. That much only the formula. Now it is not required. These two only required. Now what is the given expression? You tell that. Given expression is. What is the given expression? You tell that. Root over
1 minus x.
1 minus what is x?
Sin alpha.
So sin square alpha plus tell.
Root over 1 minus,
minus
sin square beta
equal to a into
sin alpha minus sin beta.
So, you know that 1 minus sin square alpha is
Cos square
cos
alpha.
square alpha, root over cos square alpha plus what is this?
Cos square beta.
Root over cos square beta equal to a into sin alpha minus
Sin beta.
Now you see, root cos square alpha is cos alpha plus cos beta, root will cancel for square, A into sin alpha minus sin beta. This formula you see, 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2, you can apply for alpha and beta. 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to A into, second this formula you apply, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 sin alpha minus beta by 2. Anything cancel both sides? 2 to cancel and
cos alpha plus
cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cancel. So cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to A into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Throughout the equation you divide by sin alpha minus beta by 2. So cos alpha minus beta by 2 by sin alpha minus beta by 2 equal to A. Correct?
yes.
I will rub that formulas. No formulas are not required. Cos alpha minus beta by 2 by sin alpha minus beta by 2. Cos by sin is cot. Cot alpha minus beta by 2 equal to A. Now we send cot that side. Alpha minus beta by 2 equal to cot inverse A. This 2 also is sent that side. Alpha minus beta equal to 2 cot inverse A. Now you see, alpha is what? First only I have written.
Sin inverse x.
Sin inverse x. Minus, what is beta?
Sin inverse y.
Sin inverse y equal to 2 cot inverse A. See, actually we have to find dy by dx. Till now we have not differentiated. Now I am going to differentiate that. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? Formulas you should know, then only you can do that one. Sin inverse derivative is, sin inverse x derivative is 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Minus, this is the y term. We will use same formula, but besides that we will write dy by dx. 1 by root over 1 minus y square dy by dx equal to, now what is the derivative of this cot inverse A?
0.
0. Why? Because this is constant. Don't go for cot inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square like that. So it is 0. Now just this 1 by 1 plus x square is on that side, minus minus will cancel. You will get dy by dx equal to root over 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Proved. Okay. This is our next sum. Sin y equal to x into sin a plus y. You have to prove dy by dx equal to sin square a plus y by sin a. Very important sum. Oftenly it comes in board examination. Easy also. Only thing, here you see this is function of y. This is also function of y. Only one x is there. So better to do this one. X equal to sin y by sin a plus y. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. No problem. Some people will do differentiate with respect to y, but not necessary with respect to x only. What is the derivative of x with respect to x?
1.
1. 1 equal to, this is the function of y only, so we will use the formulas what we have applied for function of x, but besides that dy by dx we will write. So how to derive this one?
U by v.
U by v rule. U is sin y, v is sin a plus y. So sin y derivative into sin a plus y minus sin a plus y derivative into sin y by sin a plus y whole square. Now, what is sin y derivative? Sin x derivative is cos x. Similarly, sin y derivative is also cos y. But y term, that's why dy by dx we have to write. Even here also will come dy by dx. So, commonly we will write 1 dy by dx at last. cos y into sin a plus y minus sin a plus y derivative is cos a plus y. Again we will write dy by dx common, sin y by sin a plus y whole square is sin square a plus y. Here dy by dx I have written. Actually we have to write one dy by dx here, one dy by dx here, that I have taken common. See the answer. Sin square a plus y came, no, in denominator it came. Why? Because dy by dx equal to, this will go that side, 50% of the answer came. Now you see that sin a plus y into cos y minus cos a plus y, this is y only, sin y by sin square a plus y into dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, this will reverse. So dy by dx equal to, reversely you have to write, this will come in numerator, sin square a plus y. Now denominator we have to write here. See, sin a plus y cos y, cos a plus y sin y. Some formula is there, no? Sin something, cos another thing, minus again cos and sin interchanged. What formula it is? It is like sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. What is the formula for that?
Sin a minus b.
Sin a minus b. A is here a plus y minus a minus b. B is y. So y cancels. So what is the denominator here?
Sin a.
Sin a. That much only. Dy by dx equal to, again if you want I will write sin square a plus y by sin a. Proved.